In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to put Nintendo Switch Fortnite account on PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you primarily play Fortnite on Nintendo Switch and you want to make sure that all of your progress gets transferred over when you play on a PlayStation 4, all that you have to do is link both accounts to the same Epic Games account. So the Epic Games account is the account that you use to play Fortnite. So to do this, you have to visit this website, Fortnite.com. In this page, sign into the Epic Games account that you are using. So this is going to be the Epic Games account that you use to play Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch. Once you sign into the account, click on your name, go over to account, and then at the left side of the screen, you will be able to select apps and accounts, switch over to the accounts category, and now you will be able to manage all of the accounts that are connected. So if you usually play on a Nintendo Switch, your Nintendo account will already be connected. You don't need to remove it. Now, if you want to transfer your progress over to a PlayStation 4, all that you have to do is link the PlayStation Network account. So you click Connect underneath PlayStation Network and you sign in with your PlayStation credentials. By doing this, every time that you play Fortnite on either the PlayStation 4 or the Nintendo Switch and you switch over to the other console, all of the progress will be transferred over. So your skins, your V-Bucks, the Battle Pass progress that you have made, everything. So all that you have to do is go over to this page and click Connect underneath PlayStation Network. As you could tell, I already have PlayStation Network connected, so I'm showing you this example with Twitch instead. But all that you have to do after you click connect is to confirm your email address, and if this is correct, you will be able to enter your PlayStation Network or your Nintendo credentials. And with this done, once you see both accounts listed here on the accounts page, you are good to go. You can now enjoy Fortnite on either of these consoles and the progress will be transferred over automatically. I hope I was able to help you on how to put a Nintendo Switch Fortnite account on PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.